Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Gmail account from Android phone. And guys, trust me, it is very easy to do. So now just go to your Gmail account. Now tap on your profile icon. Tap on manage account on this device. Now tap on Google. Now select the account you want to remove. And then just tap on the two dots icon right side of the corner. And then just tap on remove account. And then your account will be removed. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can remove Gmail account on your Android phone very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.